might be able to get that train. So how much is chili and cheese?
It's $3.
Chili definitely look different. Look, y'all. Got that hot dog New York City style. That's why I got my money out in the streets. I always have somebody be like, yo, you shouldn't pull your money out. I'm in New York, man. This is New York. Hey family, this your man mattdv. Today we gonna take a ride to New York and get some hot dogs. Train pulling in right there. I might be able to get that train. I'm hungry, y'all. Gotta find something to eat. Maybe in New York, cause we definitely missed that train. We're in the train, y'all. That's the PATH train. We're downstairs here. Could've went up. It's a double-decker trains. This it, y'all. Just came up from the train. We are in Penn Station, and I need to go that way. Coming out Penn Station. All sorts of vendors in New York, y'all. You got the Nuts Man right here. Got the Nuts Man. Yo, it's hotter than a motor scooter out here, y'all. Oh, should we get a New York hot dog, y'all? New York hot dogs for breast. Let's see what it is, Two hot dogs. Two hot dogs, $5? My man. What's come on them? It costs extra to get this stuff.
Sauerkraut, onion, or relish.
You got any other, what's all your toppings?
No, the chili and cheese is extra.
Chili and cheese?
It just comes sauerkraut, onion, or relish.
What kind of cheese is on it?
It's a sharp cheddar.
That's it? Just sharp cheddar? You know what I want?
The special only comes great.
So how much is chili and cheese?
It's $3.
$3? That's fine, man. I'm gonna get you got onions too, right? I'm gonna get one with onions and one chili and cheese. Yep. And I'll take a water too. I'm thirsty. You only take cash?
Just cash.
All right, hold on. Let me check and see I got the cash first. Now check and see I got cash, y'all. Hold on. Okay.
You want mustard or ketchup with the chili and cheese?
Give me some mustard. Yeah, what kind of mustard you got? Golden's?
Some bread, yeah.
Yeah, that's the good mustard. Y'all, $7. That's why I got my money out in the streets. I always have somebody be like, yo, you shouldn't pull your money out. I'm in New York, man. This is New York. New York a lot safer than when I grew up. Please. But brother right here, I seen his truck out here and I said he was out here in the heat. This cat out here working in the heat, y'all. So y'all gonna be like, I gotta give him a tip, right? I don't know if I have a tip. Hold up, I gotta dig for more money. He's been doing this how long?
33 years.
33 years. Same corner or different places?
Here in Times Square.
Here in Times Square.
You can look me up in Google. Famous Eddie's Hot Dogs.
Famous Eddie's Hot Dogs,
You'll see everything about me.
Oh, yo, he's famous too. We getting this, man. We gonna get this.
When you taste chili and cheese, you'll know where they come famous.
Look, I'm glad I stopped here, man.
Here's my homemade hot sauce.
He got the homemade. I'm gonna just do.
The one all the way at the bottom, those are all my specialties on the bottom.
Look, y'all. This famous Eddie's, y'all. Him no joke. Take 8.
I appreciate it.
Gotta leave him something, man, because I know y'all gonna be like, you ain't leaving man the tip. Thanks. Are you Eddie?
Thank you.
Thanks, man. He got specials during the day, y'all. You definitely want to come by.
Only
check this out.
3 o'clock, I'm gone.
After 3 o'clock, he's out of here, y'all. You heard it. Straight from the boss. Thanks again, sir. We're gonna go over here and have a seat now. We're gonna go over here and have a seat, y'all. We're on 33rd Street and 9th Avenue. I know the phone's shaking. We're gonna get real stabilized in a minute. We're gonna eat right here, y'all. All right? I'm gonna eat with my back to the street. I think I'm gonna eat right here. Throw that down right there. Y'all got some change. Where is going? Where we at here? Is this that building behind this one is the Edge? All right, y'all. I don't know which one I pulled out first, but let's check it out. I know I got onions. I'm laughing, right? Because he's not that far away. But it would be funny, you know, because I'm from Newark, man. You know, you always got to be prepared for a scam. I was like, suppose I open this hot dog up and it ain't nothing but like some piece of old bread. Okay, that's the one with onions. Famous Eddie's, y'all. There's not a lot of stuff on there, but that's the onions, and I got some Golden's mustard in there. You got a napkin in the bag. That's good. Let's go for this first, man. This is the first one we're going for. Got that hot dog. Glizzy, 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 glizzy. What's going on, family? We're in New York City. I'm here Midtown, I guess. Midtown off of 34th Street. Y'all see B&H Video right there behind me. B&H back there. That's why I'm actually going to a B&H Video event. I'm actually going to a B&H Video event at the Jason Javits. I'm actually going to a B&H Video event at the Jacob Javits Center. We're walking over there. Now I'm over here, man, getting this hot dog. Check it out. Check that hot dog out. Check that hot dog out. This right here, man, Eddie's famous hot dogs. He said he's been doing this over 30 years, y'all. Let's check it out. Let's open this up, right? It's a little bit of onions on there. He got little onions, but definitely a Frank. It's a Frankfurter. See that? It has like the skin on it. What they call that, sheep casing? I'm gonna just savor this right now. This is a good Frank, y'all. I could have used some more onions on it, but this hot dog is absolutely delicious. Let me taste the bread. The bread got a nice flavor in it. I just saw it. It looked like it was cracking a little bit, so I wanted to make sure it was fresh. Great flavor in it. That's a New York hot dog, y'all. Straight from the corner of New York. The special was 2 of these for $5. I got the extra toppings. I got the chili and cheese on the next one and got the onions on this one. That's 2 hot dogs for $7. I gave him a $1 tip. It's good flavor, man. You know, some hot dogs you bite into taste like chemicals, right? The hot dog just don't taste right. The chili definitely look different. Look, y'all, got that hot dog New York City style. Check it out. Check it out. Somebody told me like I can't be stealing the check it out, man. Check it out. So now I just been saying a lot. Check it out. Check it out. Holding up there for a while too. Sometimes I'll be coming up too fast. See the size of that hot dog? I wish I could measure it. It looks like a little bit more put together and a little smaller. Maybe the Chris's is the same size. Here's the measuring stick, right? Let's put it up against a bottle of water. Uh-oh, my bag's flying away. We can't do that measuring thing today because the wind is blowing over here in New York. We ain't in Chicago, this New York. It ain't the windy city, but very hot, and that wind feel good, man. All right, let me stop talking. Y'all talk too much sometimes. That's good. I like the onions better. And of course I like JJ's better. That cream cheese, man. But this is a good hot dog, y'all. And let's say this is a real good hot dog for the price. And all the hot dog trucks I've gone to, the prices have been pretty good. That ground meat on that chili is pretty thick. You know, it's not like super chopped. It tastes good, man. I just have to savor it. I can't swallow this too fast. It is really delicious tasting, man. I'm gonna end this video here. I'm on my way to Jacob Javison. If they got some food in there, we're gonna eat that too. This your man, Matt DV. Thanks to all our subscribers. Thanks to all of the people that went on patreon.com and signed up under my name. So my patrons, shout out to y'all. Thanks to all those who gave by hitting the $ thanks button and giving a little extra like $2, $3, 50 cents, $4. That helps buy me a cup of coffee and it helps with everything really. But I drink a lot of coffee while I'm editing, and that's it, man. I thank everybody. Thank the subscribers. Thank y'all for hitting the button. Thank y'all for staying tuned. This is Matt DV. Right now I'm in New York City. Nobody told you they love you today. You hang with the wrong people. I love you, cats. I'm not gonna say peace. I'm gonna put the sign up because I may come back. I'm going to Jacob Javits. I want y'all to check that out. Get some video around here. See what's going on. Matt DV. See you later.